Chapter 3. Simple Machines and Work. Students could learn about the different types of simple machines and how they can be used to make work easier, and the concept of work and its relation to energy. Simple machines are basic mechanical devices that are used to make work easier by reducing the amount of force required to perform a task. There are 6 types of simple machines. Lever. A lever consists of a rigid bar that pivots around a fixed point called a fulcrum. Levers can be used to increase force or increase distance, depending on the location of the input force and the output force. Examples of levers include seesaws, crowbars, and scissors. Wheel and axle. A wheel and axle consists of a wheel attached to a shaft called an axle. This simple machine is used to transfer force from one location to another and to change the direction of force. Examples of wheel and axle include a bicycle wheel, a doorknob, and a steering wheel. Pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a groove that holds a rope or cable. This simple machine is used to change the direction of force and to reduce the amount of force required to lift a heavy object. Examples of pulleys include cranes, flagpoles, and elevators. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat surface that is sloped at an angle. This simple machine is used to reduce the amount of force required to move an object over a distance. Examples of inclined planes include ramps, stairs, and slides. Wedge. A wedge is a triangular-shaped object with a pointed end. This simple machine is used to split or separate objects or to hold them in place. Examples of wedges include knives, axes, and doorstops. Screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder or cone. This simple machine is used to hold objects together or to lift objects by rotating it. Examples of screws include bolts, nuts, and jar lids. The concept of work is the transfer of energy from one object to another. Work is done when a force causes an object to move in the direction of the force. The amount of work done is calculated by multiplying the force by the distance the object moves. Simple machines can be used to make work easier by reducing the amount of force required to perform a task. The less force required to perform a task, the less work is needed to be done. The concept of work and simple machines is important in fields such as physics, engineering, and mechanics.